If you own a Toyota Tundra, don't scroll, because you're about to unlock the best Toyota Tundra accessories that instantly boost power, comfort, and style. These are the upgrades smart truck owners are grabbing right now. One of these will completely change your driving experience. Every product link is in the description, so you can check today's offer price instantly. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Katadem delivers a rugged Toyota Tundra upgrade with this 6-pack tactical Molle seatback organizer. Featuring 20 pockets, detachable pouches, and durable water-resistant nylon. Adjustable universal fit, heavy-duty stitching, and modular storage boost organization, safety, and quick access. Perfect for tools, travel gear, and everyday essentials. Number 2. AutoBull 6 inches running boards for 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra Crew Max deliver a premium upgrade with rust-resistant aluminum, anti-slip honeycomb surface, and durable black powder coating. They enhance safety, easy entry, and body protection while adding rugged style. Built for USA conditions, offering strong grip, long-lasting performance, and great value. Number 3. CZmenghe 4K dashcam front and rear inside delivers 3-channel 4K clarity for Toyota Tundra drivers, capturing front, interior, and rear with night vision, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi 6 fast transfer, voice control, parking monitoring, and supercapacitor durability. Includes 64 gigabytes SD card, ensuring safety, reliability, and instant evidence protection. Number 4. Carlimeki premium faux leather seat covers for Toyota Tundra deliver a custom-fit, full-coverage upgrade with waterproof durability, airbag-safe design, and easy installation. Built for comfort and protection, they enhance interior luxury while resisting wear. Backed by a 24-month warranty, they offer long-lasting value, style, and confidence for everyday driving. Number 5. Jemluse's wireless CarPlay adapter delivers a seamless upgrade for Toyota Tundra drivers, converting wired Apple CarPlay to ultra-fast wireless convenience with zero latency. Powered by 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and an 8-core chip, it ensures stable navigation, calls, and media. Durable aluminum build, plug-and-play setup, and instant auto-connect enhance driving comfort and safety. Number 6. Trumgeta heavy-duty side bed Molle panel for 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra delivers a rugged, high CTR upgrade for serious truck users. Built from military-grade aluminum with 300 pounds capacity, it offers corrosion resistance, easy bolt-on install, and flexible Molle storage, securing tools and gear for off-road, job site, and camping performance and durability. Number 7. Aunginsy Armrest hidden storage box cover lid for Toyota Tundra delivers a smart ABS-built console upgrade with hidden storage, anti-scatter protection, and added privacy for valuables. Easy adhesive installation ensures secure fit without residue, improving organization, durability, and driving convenience, while enhancing interior practicality and everyday usability. Number 8. SodaRide Window Breaker Seatbelt Cutter Flashlight 3-in-1 Emergency Tool. Tungsten steel tip 50% stronger. Strobe full LED 6 hours 4 hours. USB-C rechargeable. Seatbelt cutter 1 hand. Heat, fire 1000 degrees Celsius resistance. Portable keychain 2-pack. Reliable Toyota Tundra safety escape tool. Durability. Quick glass break. Underwater performance. Compact ergonomic grip ensuring fast rescue and value. Number 9. Toptiny hard folding truck bed tonneau cover for Toyota Tundra delivers premium aluminum hard trifold protection with polished finish, enhancing security, durability, and style. Fully lockable design, weather-resistant sealing, easy clamp installation, and cargo protection from rain, snow, dust, and UV damage, offering strong value and everyday USA truck performance. Number 10. LOX Truck Bed Extender delivers a smart, no-drill, bolt-on solution for Toyota Tundra. Using factory holes for quick install, Built with high-grade aluminum tubes and weather-resistant plastics, it flips inside or outside to extend cargo space, boosts load capacity, ensures durability, fast pin system, and reliable everyday hauling performance. Number 11. DENVIX MotorX Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor 2nd Generation delivers ultra-fast 55 liters per minute inflation, powering Toyota Tundra tires in minutes with 15,000 mAh battery and 65-watt fast charging. Its smart touchscreen, multiple light modes, and power bank function ensure safety, durability, and roadside confidence for heavy-duty performance anywhere. Number 12. APILT Outside Mount Rain Guards for 2022 to 2026 Toyota Tundra CrewMax Cab deliver premium acrylic durability with thicker, aerodynamic design that reduces wind noise and blocks rain while allowing fresh airflow. Easy no-drill installation ensures factory-like fit, enhancing comfort, protection, and all-weather driving confidence for daily truck usability. Number 13. LEDKINGDOMUS Fender Flares Kit delivers a rugged off-road upgrade for Toyota Tundra, featuring UV-protected premium PP material with smooth black finish and rivet-style design. It ensures durability, no cracking or fading, easy no-drill installation, and strong wheel protection against mud, scratches, and debris, enhancing both style and long-lasting performance. Number 14. LASFIT Bed Mat for Toyota Tundra 5.5 feet delivers a perfect custom fit using 3D laser scanning for precise coverage. Made of heavy-duty TPE, it offers all-weather protection, raised edges, and anti-slip grip, safeguarding cargo from water, dirt, and damage while ensuring durability, easy installation, and effortless cleaning for USA truck owners. Number 15. Autorder Mud Flaps for Toyota Tundra deliver a professional-grade all-weather protection upgrade. Built from impact-resistant ABS, they block mud, debris, and road splash while preserving paint quality. No-drill installation uses factory holes for a secure fit. Aerodynamic design ensures stability, 6.7-inch clearance, durability, and reliable performance in harsh conditions. Number 16. KUST Black Dash Cover for Toyota Tundra delivers a custom-fit interior upgrade with premium polyester build, non-slip silicone backing, and anti-glare protection. It blocks UV damage, reduces windshield reflection, and hides dashboard wear while improving driving safety. Easy install and durable design add long-lasting value for USA drivers. Number 17. KILOUPOLE Adjustable Cargo Bar delivers a high CTR upgrade for Toyota Tundra owners needing serious bed organization. With 40 to 79-inch infinite adjustment non-slip rotating feet and heavy-duty aluminum steel build, it locks cargo firmly. Includes divider bars and cargo net for ultimate safety, stability, and pro-level hauling confidence on every ride. Number 18. OPT7 Redline Parlux Tailgate Light Bar delivers a premium upgrade for Toyota Tundra with 1080 ultra-bright LEDs, sequential turn signals, reverse flash safety sequence, and multifunction lighting. Its aluminum IP67 waterproof build ensures durability in all weather, while easy plug-and-play installation boosts visibility safety and modern truck style. Number 19. 3W Floor Mats for Toyota Tundra CrewMax deliver a high CTR upgrade with precision fit, heavy-duty TPE protection, and all-weather defense against mud, snow, and spills. Waterproof, odorless, anti-slip design ensures safety and durability, while raised edges trap debris easily. Flexible, easy clean liner offers long-lasting interior protection and value. Number 20. ASOPARTS Rear Bedstep Tailgate Bedstep for Toyota Tundra delivers a strong aluminum retractable bumper step, replacing PTS 30-3400 with OEM fit. It offers safe bed access, corrosion resistance, easy installation, and durable support, giving USA truck owners premium convenience, reliability, and long-lasting everyday performance in all conditions. Number 21. LeaHun Car Seat Gap Filler Plug Strip 2-Pack delivers a high CTR upgrade for Toyota Tundra drivers, stopping dropped phones, keys, and coins while adding dual storage slots for quick access. Built from durable EVA leather texture, waterproof, scratch-resistant, easy install, universal fit, boosting safety, comfort, and organized driving space. Number 22. CZmenghe second row underseat storage mat for Toyota Tundra delivers precision fit TPE protection with water-resistant, odor-free durability. It keeps rear storage organized, prevents tool scratches, and reduces sliding noise. Easy install and wash make it highly practical, offering long-lasting clean interior protection and strong everyday utility value. Number 23. Rough Country Hydraulic Tailgate Assist delivers a smooth, controlled tailgate drop for Toyota Tundra, enhancing safety, convenience, and one-hand operation. Built from heavy-duty steel, driver-side fit, bolt-on no-drill install, it reduces strain, prevents slamming, boosts durability, and adds reliable everyday performance backed by a 3-year warranty. Number 24. MGR-FTOX car phone mount for Toyota Tundra delivers precision-fit dashboard integration with 14-inch screen mounting, 15 watts fast wireless charging, and smart auto clamping. Its 360-degree adjustable design ensures safe viewing, stable grip, heat-managed power, and vibration-free performance for daily U.S. driving comfort and reliability with premium durability. Number 25. Tuyong lockable roof rack crossbars deliver premium aluminum strength and 330 pounds load capacity with anti-theft metal lock for secure hauling. Designed with low-profile aero design to reduce wind noise, added tie-down loops, and reinforced base feet ensure durability, easy installation, and reliable rooftop cargo performance for Toyota owners.